algorithm. Today topic is doing k-mean clustering algorithm. This is most important algorithm in machine learning. Here they will use based on Euclid distance formula. When the point something like this in a graph, okay, there is a point somewhere here. Then your median is somewhere here. Okay, then you have to find a distance. It's a median. If A comma B, the point is x comma y. Then you have to find a distance between this point. Okay, then distance they will use the Pythagoras theorem like this. You have to mark it Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then you have to find a distance. They will use the distance formula is root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. The entire problem stand on this Euclid distance. The point, okay, median. This is the median. Okay, if a median centered point, in the k-mean algorithm used for clustering means grouping. Okay, this C1, then like that there is another median is C2 is there. Then we will find distance between this. This is D1 distance and D2 distance. Then now comparing D1 and D2, which one is minimum? Then this is the point is belongs to that cluster. Okay, we'll take an example. Before that, we'll take this as an example. The point 2, 4, 10, 12, 8, 10, 6, 2, 1, 3, 14, 10. See, the same thing I represented in the graph. The point look like this. Okay, we can make the based on the k stand for number of clustering. If a k is 3, we have to make 3 clustering. Okay, 3 cluster means 3 groups, somewhere like this. Something you have to make group like this. There is another group. There is become 3 clusters. C1 cluster, C2 cluster, C3 cluster. If a 4 is there, 4 group have to make it. Okay, like that. Then only if 2 groups are there, they have to make 2 groups. If you consider, if you want to make 2 cluster, okay, how to select? Okay, all the star points belongs to the cluster 1, cluster 2. That's the calculation I'm going to do in later. Normally we make a group of the 2 cluster like this, 1 cluster and another cluster like that. See how they will be evaluated in a computer, and it will make it a group clustering given points. Hope consider in this example. I'm taking k value. K value is 2. Means making 2 cluster, 2 groups. Okay. Before that, you have to select a median. The median is I'm selecting the A1 is 2. You have to take it first one. B1 median it is 4. Like that. Then A2 take second point 10. B2 12. Okay. Then finally distance 1 D1 distance. The formula is simple. Root of x minus a1 square plus y minus b1 square. Next, I'm calculating. Next, distance to Euclid distance. We're finding the distance x minus a2 square plus y minus b2 square. Then find a distance. See what is the a1 value 2, b1 value 4. Then another column is needed to judge the belongs to which cluster. Okay, you will decide cluster belongs to the which one. See, the A1 is 2, B1 is 4 initially, A2 is 10, B2 is 12. Okay, apply for this one. Distance 1, you are applying that valuation. X is what? 2 minus A1 is 2. Okay, Y What is the y value? 4 minus b1 is 4 square. What is answer? It is 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 0 square is root of 0 is 0 only. Answer is 0. Just write down like that. Then find the distance d2. d2 can be find root of x value is 2, the a2 value is 10 square, then plus y value is 4, b2 value is 12 square. Then you have to find it by using calc. Okay, what is the value will come off? It is 8 square.
64.
Okay, 8 square 64 no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute I'm using calc. Here 64 plus it is again 8 square 12. Okay, it is minus of this plus 8 square again 64. Root value this it comes around 11.31. 11.31. Then you have to judge d1 distance is lesser or d2. They have to compare it. In the above condition, d1 is lesser than d2. Because of that reason, you are judging. Okay, this is the this belongs to cluster 1. This is cluster 1 ge serpolutte. And after that, you have to do one simple logic. This is d1 lesser than d2, then d1 point x and y. Okay, then you have to recalculate centered point a1. The a1 is equal to x plus a1 divided by 2. That actually means simple. Here it is x value is 2, a1 value also 2 divided by this one is gives 2 only. It won't change value. Like that, you have to go for b1 is equal to y plus b1 divided by 2. If any variations happen, you have to check it. Initially, it won't vary. For x value is 4, b1 value also 4 divided by 2. It is 4 only. Okay, it won't the a1 and b1 value written same. It won't change. For initially, it won't change. Okay, this is the first you have to do calculation. You have to do it this way. Second one. Okay, you go for second point. This is the point 1. Okay, point 1 is belongs to what? Cluster 1. Go for second point. This is a point 1. If you consider point 2, see in the point 2, I am calculating d1 is equal to what's the x value? 10. What is a1 value? Minus 2 square plus okay y value is 12 minus 4 square. It will be comes around root of it is 8 square is 64 plus
11
is
point.
again 64. If you do off, it will come 11.31. You go again. You have to calculate d2. Anyway, it will come x value is 10. Okay, a2 value is 10. Then b2 value is x value, y value is 12 square, it is 0. Oh, no need of calc for this. In this value, d2 is lesser than d1. Then it belongs to the lesser distance is what? Second one is a lesser distance. If lesser distance, that point is belongs to that cluster. The d2 is lesser than this cluster is belongs to cluster 2. Then again you have to center it, have to check it out. d2, then value for d2 centered a2 is a2 plus x divided by 2. That is actually a2 value is 10 Then x value also 10 divided by 2, it is 10 only. Then b2 is equal to b2 plus y divided by 2, it is 12. Then y value is 12 divided by 2, it is 12 only. Okay, no value of b2 value, 10, okay, a2 value is 10 only, b2 also 12, no need to change here. This is the second point calculation, is belongs to cluster 2. Now go for point 3. What is point 3 is belongs to which cluster? That have to be valuation. That have to be do valuation now. See, d1 is equal to root of 8 minus a2 is 2 square plus y value is 10 minus 4 square. Then check the value. Okay, use the calci. Root of 8 minus 2, it is 6. 6 square means 36.
Plus 36.
Plus it is
36.
36. Okay, then the value comes around 8.48. 8.48. Then you evaluate for this. Evaluate for this. d2 root of, or the 10 value, sorry, 8, x is 8, okay, minus 10 root plus, okay, y value is 10 minus b2 is 12. Then it is, what so it is root of, you have to do root of
Square root of
8 minus 10 is 2, 2 square it is 4, plus it is also 2, 2, 4,
8.
then it is comes 8, root is 2.8 square root. Okay, when you compare this value and this value, okay, distance 1 d2 and distance 1 is 8.4, distance 2 is 2.8. In comparing these two, which is the lesser here? Lesser is d2. Then d2 is lesser than d1, but because of the, then this point is belongs to which cluster? This is belongs to cluster 2. This is belongs to cluster 2. Then you have to central, you have to value for a2. You have to check it out. A2 plus x divided by 2. A2 is what? Okay, A2 is 10. 10 plus x value is 8. Okay, divided by 2, it is comes 9. Now it is default. Then you have to change. A2 is here, let's see. Then it earlier is 10, A2. Now change to 9. That's the thing, variation you have to modify here. Then next one, B2. It is B2 plus y divided by 2. See, B2 value is what? That you have to check it out. Now B2 is
12.
currently is 12 plus y value is 10. Then divided by 2, it is 11. As you can tell, it is 22 divided by 2, it is 11. Okay, then we have to do B2, the new current, the variation where B2 value is, centered value is 11. Then you change 12 to 11. Next time you have to use this changed value, current value you have to write. Of what? Of this is understood. Out median is varied, centered is varied. Next you have to calculate for this. This one. You go for this. Here 6 and x value is 6 and y value is 2. You have to find the distance d1. Here x value is 6, a1 value is 2 square plus then 2 minus b1 value is 4 square. What's the value? It is 4 square is root 4 square is 16 plus 2 square is 4. If you add that one, it is 20 square. Okay, 20 of this square, it is 4.47. The value comes for 4.47. Now we check for this d2. Okay, d2 root of okay, here x value is what? 6 minus, then a2 is what? Not 10, here now 9. I will change this value. Earlier is 10, now changed. You have to check that variation happen. Okay, 6 minus 9 square plus then 2. Okay, 2 minus 11 square. What will happen here? Okay, root of 6 minus 9, it is 3 square plus
9 square.
It's 9 square. Value comes around 9.48. And compare D1 and D2. The D1 values comes 4.47. D2 value comes 9.48. And among this, which is a lesser is D1. Then D1 is lesser than D2. Then this point is belongs to cluster 1. The point, this one is point fourth one is belongs to cluster 1. Then you have to vary for what? Then central you have to vary for A1. Then A1 plus x divided by 2. The A1 is 6. Sorry, A1 is 2. 2 plus 6 divided by 2. That is important. It comes 8, then 4. Getting? Next one, B1, 4 or 1. A1 change aguta. Now we have to change. You have to change this one to 4. Now we have to check B1. B1 is equal to B1 plus y divided by 2. The B1 value is what? B1 value 4 plus y is 2 divided by 2, it is 3. Hope you understood. You get a 3. Now it is changed to 3. What change happened? You have to be updated here. Central points values. Next you have to use this what is updated values only. Okay. Now I'm calculating point 5 value. See. Go for this calculation. I'm going for this. D1 it is 1 minus A1 is 4 now. 4 square plus B1 is y is 3 minus B1 is now 3 square. Now what is the value for this? Root of, okay, it is 1 minus 4, it is 3 square plus 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, 0, okay, 0 square is 0 only. Value is 3 only. A simple calculation. Then go for D2. Then D2 is, okay, y, okay, x minus x is 1 minus A2. A2 is 9 square plus y is 3 minus B2 is 11 square. Okay, it is root of 8 square plus it is again it is 8 square. 8 square. Okay, it comes 11.31. When compare this one and this one, which one is belongs to this D1 is lesser than D2, then this belongs to which cluster? Cluster 1. The point is lesser than this, it belongs to cluster 1. Of understood this? Then you have to vary centered for A1. The A1 plus X divided by 2, it is A1 value is 4 plus X value 1 divided by 2, it is
2 point.
okay 5 means 2.5. That right, that point only. B2 value B2, okay, then A2 sorry B1, then B1 plus Y divided by 2. What's the B1 value? B1 value is 11.
3.
Sorry, 3. Check here. B1 value is 3 plus
Y value.
Y value is 3 divided by 2. It is 3 only. 3. Now how to update? This have to update it is now new value is 2.5. This is updated as
Same.
same. Okay, no need to vary them. Okay, no need to rub that one. That written same value. Of now A1 value is 2.5, B1 value is 3. You have to use this one now next time. Okay, last point, point 6 point. Okay, I have to check belongs to which cluster this. Okay, use D1 distance. You have to calculate root of x value is 14 minus A1 2.5 square plus y value is 10 minus 3 square. If use a calcium, do it. That is 14 minus 2.5 square plus it is 7 square. Something goes wrong. We'll go back calculus. Okay. Root
11.5.
14.2.5 square plus what
7.
it is 7 square, then I have to use bracket. Yeah, it is 13 point